Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody has inadvertently changed something where they can't get it back. If I draw a rectangle or an ellipse, he has no lines. He can go through to the color palette and right click and get the color. Well, the telltale sign is right here. With nothing selected, you have no color. You have no pin outline. So double click on this. Make sure graphic is picked, which it should be. Say okay. Change this to whatever thickness you want. And I draw everything in Hairline and then change it to whatever color you want. And I want red, and then hit OK. Now save that as default. Go to Tools, Save as Default. Now when you draw, you'll have red hairlines, or if you draw in black and 1/4 inch lines, whatever it is. So their telltale sign is when, see, like right now it's red hairline. If I have nothing selected, it's still red hairline. Let's draw an ellipse and make it other than a, well, don't even do that. Let's make it a 1/2 inch line. Now, if you look with nothing selected, it says 1/2 inch or hairline. If I select it, it says a 1/2 inch line. So with nothing selected is your key right here to changing things. And you can do the same thing with your fill. I don't draw with anything with fill. So double click on your pin. You can change a lot, but the graphic is the one he's having trouble with. Any graphic, star, ellipse, polygon is a graphic. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you.